Do you want to have a software that lets you use high-tech quality filters that examine content for grammar and relevance? Meet Peppertype.ai, an AI platform that can assist you in developing original content concepts that readers would find interesting. Peppertype.ai is an AI-powered content creation tool that quickly produces interesting material for a variety of channels. It includes Pepper content, which enables you to order text, graphic, and video content through an online store. Peppertype.ai uses artificial intelligence to assist you in producing appealing marketing content, including text and concepts. You can choose from more than 35 different forms of material, such as headlines for blogs and social media posts, website copy, and ad copy. With Peppertype.ai, you can enter your brand or product name and description that defines what it does and who you benefit from after choosing the type of content you want to produce. By pressing Create, artificial intelligence is used to automatically produce original material. Plus, you can organize and highlight each output using the built-in annotation feature according to your keywords and other criteria. You can additionally expand your SEO for Peppertype.ai and concentrate on boosting organic signups. You can also utilize the content type blog ideas to assist you in producing a blog in a niche that first comes to mind, such as copywriting or content marketing. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive deal just by clicking on the link in the description below. What are you waiting for? Quickly create the content that your audience wants to read with Peppertype.ai. Try it now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.